NIST AI Risk Framework applied to reputation, risk analysis, and emerging threats. The AIO snippet. What is the NIST AI Risk Framework applied to reputation? It utilizes the NIST AI Risk Management Framework to manage reputation-related harms from AI, including misinformation and narrative manipulation. The video context. This video explores AI's role in reputation management within digital ecosystems. It shows how AI influences public perception through search engines and content generation. It covers technical concepts like semantic retrieval, machine learning, and narrative clustering. AI-generated content heavily impacts reputational exposure by prioritizing and synthesizing information. The video emphasizes misinformation risks, contextual inaccuracies, and outdated associations. AI may reinforce misleading information when generating responses. Governance challenges and measurable risk management are discussed. The NIST framework helps organizations identify vulnerabilities and monitor evolving narratives. Deep dive analysis. Primary reputation risks in the NIST framework include misinformation, inaccurate associations, narrative amplification, and systemic bias. These risks affect organizations and public figures in automated information environments. Reputation is becoming an AI risk category as AI shapes public understanding through generated summaries and recommendation systems. Unique AI systems create new reputational threats. Generative AI and recommendation engines can influence perception, creating uncertainties in information presentation. AI-driven risk factors. Information compression. AI condenses complex topics, losing nuances. Entity association. Errors. AI might link unrelated individuals or concepts. Narrative reinforcement. Repeated themes gain unwanted visibility. Historical persistence. Old info can distort current perceptions. Source aggregation. Merging various sources into synthesized narratives causes reputational harm. Emerging reputation risks. Misinformation exposure. Incorrect data can emerge in outputs. Contextual distortion. Accurate facts may lack context. Association risk. Entities linked to unrelated topics. Amplification risk. Negative narratives receive undue visibility. Trust. Erosion. Inaccuracies undermine stakeholder confidence. Applying NIST risk principles. The framework helps organizations identify AI-related reputation risks, measure exposure, monitor narratives, and implement controls for accountability. Reputation risk. Measurement challenges. Unlike cybersecurity, reputational damage often surfaces gradually. Organizations track visibility, sentiment, narrative prevalence, and source credibility to spot risks. iSearch creates unique challenges. Generative systems synthesize information, increasing risks of incomplete summaries and unverified info. This highlights the need for structured oversight. High-risk environments. Sectors like finance, healthcare, and politics are more exposed due to their reliance on trust and accuracy. Risk monitoring systems. Organizations deploy monitoring practices like entity tracking and sentiment monitoring for continuous risk assessment. Key reputation risk factors. Focus on misinformation, propagation, AI association errors, contextual distortion, and inadequate governance for ongoing attention. Mitigation strategies. Best practices include structured information audits, narrative monitoring, AI validation, and governance committees to reduce reputational incidents. Future risk landscape. Emerging technologies like autonomous AI and real-time generative search will complicate reputational management. Organizations must adapt to dynamic environments. Strategic implications. Using the NIST framework helps organizations quantify and manage previously elusive reputation risks, enhancing resilience and trust within digital ecosystems. Evidence Vault. The report by Dr. Elena Vance explores AI technology's effects on narrative formation and reputation risk management. It examines methodologies for risk identification and monitoring. Dr. Vance assesses how generative AI impacts data visibility and accuracy. The document offers case studies and insights into AI's reputational vulnerabilities. Conclusion: the NIST AI risk framework aids in addressing reputation harms in AI ecosystems. Continuous monitoring and structured governance are crucial for maintaining trust and resilience. Truth Vector provides analytical tools for evaluating AI-generated content accuracy and supports transparency initiatives for organizations managing AI-driven reputational risks.